Greetings internet marketers, welcome back to another review video. Today I will be reviewing ArticleBuilder. Here I am inside of the dashboard, but before we get into using ArticleBuilder, let's take a look here at the sales page to see what it is all about. ArticleBuilder is a web-based tool to provide you with highly readable, unique content, and it can generate new unique articles instantly on a wide variety of topics, and I'll leave a link below for you guys to check it out. And here, let's take a look. There are currently two features. You can build a tips-based article. So this is what ArticleBuilder is mostly about. It'll build unique tips-based articles, and there's also the generate a super spun article. However, this is limited to only these categories right here, so not a lot of options, and I'll build one of these after I test out the build a tips-based articles first. And here are the article categories. There are probably about 100 or so, I think, from automotive, business, and there are subcategories in the business like real estate investing, SEO, home-based business, entertainment, education, finance. It's got all the major finance categories from insurance to bankruptcy and health. It's got all these disorders and diseases. And then we got the home and family for dog, hobbies, gardening, and there's new ones being added, such as like the iPad, iPhone, solar energy. The only one I haven't really noticed is cryptocurrency under finance. They have categories for stock market and investing, but there's no specific category yet for cryptocurrency. But other than that, every other major categories are here. And let's do an example for video games. And the next options are using the super spun content and the expanded super spun content. And you can check these boxes to make the article more unique, but the readability may be a little bit decrease, so that's up to you. Go ahead and check it to make the articles unique. And subtopic keywords are related to your category. So video games, I'm gonna write something related, some keywords related. So in this example, I got Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox. That's related to my category. And now target word count, so how many words I want my article to be. The more the better, so 1,000, that's the max. How many articles do I want to be produced right now? I'll just do one right now. And if I want to do a translation, you can do that here. And under advanced options, these are absolutely optional, like performing automatic LSI replacement. So this will just replace your major category keywords to make it more unique. So you check these and test it out yourself and see if it's still readable. These features down here will make your articles less readable but more unique, and you don't need an account with the best spinner to use these articles right here. So just check it if you want to use it. So I'll just do this one as an example, and now click on build my article, and it is pretty instant. You get the article within 1 second. Here it is, and it is a highly readable article. And then down here I got some of my subtopic keywords. So for Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, so here are the subtopic: Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox. So these are focused section based on these keywords. And then this right here is from my option for choosing spinning the phrases. If you want to use the spinning, make sure you also check this right here, so that way it will remove the spin tags. So these right here, the curly brackets, so it will remove the spin tags. And the question now is this article 100% unique? Let's do a copy, and let's search on Google to see how many articles contain this phrase. Alright, here it is, the exact same phrase from the article, over 7,000 results or 7,000 pages or more using this exact same phrase. And the good news is these articles are getting indexed by Google, and the bad news is there are a lot of pages containing this exact phrase. However, ArticleBuilder, so no two articles will ever be the same. So in Google's eyes, these 7,000 pages are unique to each other, but only certain phrases and sentences are the same. So are the articles readable? Yes. Are the articles unique? Not exactly. Let's do a copyscape comparison to see how different these articles are compared to the one I just generated. Alright, so here is an article with the same exact phrase. Video games sure have come a long way from the big bulky, and here is the same exact phrase. Okay, so I copy this article from ArticleBuilder and then this article from Google Results. Okay, so here is copyscape tool. I'm going to compare the two articles, the original from ArticleBuilder and the one from Google Results right here. Let's compare. Okay, it found about 13% match, which makes my ArticleBuilder article about 87% unique. So this entire paragraph is exactly the same. This paragraph was found at the beginning of my article, and this paragraph found somewhere near the middle of this Google article found. And here's another paragraph, is exactly the same. Okay, let's build another article for the super spun article, and let's do affiliate marketing, generate article, and this gives you a unique, highly readable article with actual longer paragraphs, and it is also a lot more unique. So let's copy this sentence right here, and now in Google search there are approximately 8 results as compared with over 7,000, and again these ones will be totally unique to this article. No two articles will ever be the same, and that is ArticleBuilder in a nutshell. It has an endless amount of article content that you can easily generate with one click across these different categories. It is readable and unique to each other. Overall, ArticleBuilder is a good product. It works, it's fast, it's easy to use, so definitely worth a look. Try it out. Links below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing tools, reviews, tips, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.